When you're caring for someone with kidney disease, emergencies like hurricane, tornadoes, earthquakes, fires, or power outages don't just interrupt routines, they can interrupt life-saving treatments. The good news is that preparation today can keep your loved ones safe tomorrow. Let's walk through how to build a kidney disaster pack using your Kidney Circle Care Planner and incorporate guidelines from the Kidney Community Emergency Response, or the CARE program, and I'll show you how to work with your loved one's care team to get you prepared and organized. I'm Dr. Rachel Velasco Acosta, and I'm from Kidney Circle. CARE is a national program created to support dialysis patients and their loved ones during disasters. And it is supported through the Centers of Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS. So let's get started with medications. Always keep a 5 to 7 day supply of prescriptions in your loved one's kidney disaster pack. For kidney patients, this is so important. Work with your loved one's nephrology team to create a complete medication list. And don't forget to include any emergency medications your care team recommends, and remember to rotate these supplies every few months to keep them up to date. Next, let's walk through water and hydration. Fluid needs are different for kidney patients. While most people, like you and me, need 1 gallon of water per day, dialysis patients may require less if treatments are delayed or missed. Confirm safe amounts with the care team and note them in your care planner. Include bottled water and kidney-friendly drinks like apple or cranberry juice, but always follow medical guidance and talk with your care team. As for food supply, the CARE program recommends including these kidney-friendly food options. Consider things like canned vegetables, unsalted peanut butter, applesauce, or vanilla wafers, and low-sodium canned proteins like tuna, chicken, salmon, or turkey. But remember, always ask your loved one's nephrology care team for additional safe, shelf-stable food supplies to add. As a caregiver, you're basically the caregiver of these vital documents. Keep these records in a waterproof pouch, including copies of IDs, insurance, like Medicare cards, and current medication lists and dosages, recent labs and treatment schedules, and emergency contacts with your care team, such as your nephrologist, the dialysis center, and other important contacts like family and friends. Also include the medical power of attorney if you have it completed. Your Kidney Circle Care Planner has a section for storing these emergency phone numbers and notes to make this step much easier. The case also recommends additional safety items like masks, hand sanitizers, gloves, flashlights, a whistle, a radio, a manual can opener, a cell phone with charger, spare glasses, a blanket, and a notepad. Include a backup charger or portable battery pack so that you can stay in touch with the care team and family and friends. Other things to consider is to bring climate appropriate clothing. You may want to consider layer clothing, sturdy shoes, towels, a toothbrush and toothpaste, toilet paper, feminine care items, sunscreen, and other familiar items like blankets and a pillow. And also consider bringing a book to help reduce stress during crisis. If dialysis treatments are interrupted, your loved one may need to follow an emergency diet. This is important to reduce fluid and waste buildup. Work with their nephrology team now so that you can review this important protocol to customize it for your loved one's specific needs and document this important information in your Kidney Circle Care Planner. Remember, keep your kidney disaster pack in an easy to reach place. Check and refresh supplies every 3 to 6 months. And share this information with your family so they know where to find this pack. Also, remember to put your Kidney Circle Care Planner in there and the CARE checklist, which includes contact information that includes agencies to contact for additional support during these disasters. And in closing, as a caregiver, you're already doing so much to keep your loved ones safe. A well-prepared kidney disaster pack paired with your Kidney Circle Care Planner gives you confidence and peace of mind so that you can focus on what matters most, keeping your loved ones safe and getting them the care they need. Remember to visit kidneycircle.com today to access the CARE checklist and other emergency tools and start building your kidney disaster care pack. You got this.